What's up, guys? Welcome to another quick, another card opening video. Today we're breaking 3 boxes of Bowman. Boxes of Bowman Hobby. Looks like everyone is paid for, so I will show the owner's list and we can get going. Hopefully you guys were on the last break. We had some fun. We pulled a nice Ken Griffey Jr. auto, which was nice. Alright, guys, here's the owner's list for our Bowman. Alright, guys, good luck. How's everyone doing tonight? Alright, guys, good luck. Acuna, Yelich, is it Mike Trout, Tyler Callahan, Nick Maton, first Bowman, Royce Lewis, Brett Batty, Jason Rutledge. Sean Murphy, Kyle Lewis, Bryant, Zach Bean, Futurist, it's a nice insert, Josiah Gray, Alvarez, the Dolo. Santander, Bobby Dahlbeck, Kristen Pache, Shea Langeliers, prospect number 72, Jordan Walker, Xavier Edwards, Jeter Downs, Ivan Johnson. Patino, Trout, Bo Naylor, Brennan Davis, Gallo, Robert. Rookie of the Year favorites, Andres Jimenez, Tristan Cass, C.J. Abrams. Freeman, Huff. Whoa, here we go. Jake Eder, first year Bowman. Very nice. Going out to Miami. Congrats, Miami. Let's leave that one up. Alec Thomas. Wow, what a pack. Look at this. Asa Lacey, gold, numbered to 50. That's what we want. Autographs and gold cards. Going out to KC. Congrats, KC. It's a nice hit. Very green. That was a nice pack. A first year Bowman autograph and a gold card numbered to 50. Who can ask for a better pack? That's a great start. Very sweet. That was sweet. All right, guys. Moving right along. That's a good start. Singer, Alec Bohm, Soto, Brandon Marsh, rookie prospect number 81, Bitsko, Byron Scott, Aaron Sabato, and Jose Salas. We'll sleeve up that Sabato. He's one of these sought after rookies in this product. What's up, Knights of Honor? Welcome back. What's up, Jake? Aaron Judge, Bo Bichette, Trevor Bauer, Asa Lacey. Here's the same guy we just pulled the auto from. Jared Kelly, Max Meyer, Acosta, Torkelson, Anthony Volpe. Soler, Julio Rodriguez, Drew Romo, Jimenez. Here's a talent pipeline. It's a Bowman staple card. Freddie Nova, Tyler Ivey, Forrest Whitley, Marsh, Robinson, Bishop. Glaber, Scooble. Andres Jimenez, 89 prospect. Jake Bogle. Adley Rutschman. Coming up to the halfway point of box number 1. Clark Schmidt. Kenzie. Ian Anderson. Madrigal. Crochet. Freeman. Chatham. Blaze Jordan. It's a good rookie. India. And a blue Tristan Cassis. That's what we want. Low numbered cards, colored cards, and rookies. Too bad it's not a first Bowman. Still a cool card though. Going out to Boston. Congrats, Boston. Tyler. And another hit for Boston. Bogarts, Bell, Mookie, Josh Jung, prospect 25, Bobby Witt Jr., Luciano, Julio, highly touted prospects that we can't wait to see in the major leagues. Bregman, Abreu, Tatis, Rendon, Austin Hendrick, futurist. Mountcastle rookie. Christian Javier, Braylon Marquez, Shohei Ohtani. Rookie of the Year favorites, Mountcastle. Choi. Blackman. It's another talent pipeline for the St. Louis Cardinals. Gorman, Montero, and Cape. Evan White, O'Neal Cruz, prospect number 66. Ismail Mena. Lodi Tavares, Chaz Chisholm, Mize, Davey, Cronenworth, Christopher Morrow for the Cubs, JJ Bleday, Altuve, Luis Garcia, another Luis Garcia, Jordan Gorman, Robert Paulson. Sanchez, Alvarez, Max Mayer, Matthew Thompson, Taylor Trammell, Shane Baz. Adele. Andrew Vaughn. Baron Laura. Brian Hayes. Ketel Marte. Here's our second auto. Cole Wilcox, Under Armour All-America Baseball. How's that for a cool looking auto? Numbered 171 out of 199. Very cool. Nick York. Here's a Nick Allen. I'm not sure who this is going out to. We'll have to figure out what team this belongs to. Adley Rutschman, Trent Devereaux. Alright guys, last pack of box number 1. Rays, okay. Bubik, Stevenson, Tejada, Joey Bart, Nick Lodolo. Positional Promise. Nice looking insert. Alright guys, box number 2. Alright guys, good luck in this box. Hopefully get some good cards. Alonso, Machado, Garcia. Oh, here we go. This is a good start. Here's an orange Ronald Acuna Jr. numbered to 25. Boom! Two out of 25. Nice. Here's an Alcantara. We gotta sleeve that one up as well. I guess you get, if you're gonna get an orange of a veteran player, you want to get a stud, right? Very nice. Alright, so we've sleeved up the atomic refractor of Acuna. Joey bar. Adele. Bobby Witt Jr. Position of Promise. Nice insert. Howard, Marte, Jazz Chisholm, Posey, Robert Hassel, Futurist insert, Bo Naylor. Whoa, look at this, guys. Ed Howard, Gold Shimmer, numbered to 75. That's a nice hit for our Cubbies. Congrats, Todd. That's a nice hit. Nice. Nice hit for the Cubs. Christian Javier, so New York Yankees talent pipeline, Peraza, Stefan, Alvarez. Mauricio, Bobby Witt Jr. It's another Sabato. Endy Roshman, number 4 prospect, Salas Torkelson. Kirloff, Alright guys, looks like we got a blue Fredis Nova. Number 203 out of 499. Nice hit for Houston. Rookie of the Year favorites, Casey Mize. Corbin Carroll, futurist. Excuse me, guys. Ian Anderson, Madrigal, Crochet, Altuve, Brady Singer, Christopher Morrow. Alright guys, we've reached the halfway point of box number 2. Acuna, Yelich, Freeman, Chevin, Carson Tucker. Kyle Lewis, Chris Bryant, Dylan Carlson, Rookie of the Year favorites. Kate Cavalli. Dahlbeck, Pache. Here we go. Endy Rodriguez, first year auto, numbered 178 out of 499. How's that? That's going out to the New York Mets. Congrats, New York. Unfortunately, we don't know if he's good or not, but yet, still a cool card. I guess we'll find out a couple years down the road. Endy Rodriguez. Trout, Castillo, Bellinger, Mick Abel. Jason Dominguez, futurist. Casey Mize. Here's the Detroit talent pipeline. Sam Huff, number 76, Volpe, Alcantara. Alright guys, last 3 packs of box number 2. Anderson, Harper, Molina, Acuna, JD Martinez, Evan White, Tavares, Garrett Mitchell, Hunter Green. Last pack, box number 2. Chaz Chisholm, Casey Mize, Gerardo Perdomo, Jake Vogel, Hunter Bishop, Helio Ramos. Alright guys, box number 3. Here we have an Austin Hayes, Sky Blue, numbered to 499. Jeter Downs, Jared Kelly, Atomic. Just leave that one up. Isaiah Green and Aaron Sabato. Nice looking card. Alright guys, Christian Robinson, position on promise. Volpe. Merrifield, Adele. Bobby Witt Jr., number 11 prospect. It's a Chrome Anthony Sabato. Austin Martin, rookie. Garrett Cole, Tyler Stevenson, Rookie of the Year favorite, Nick Madrigal, India. Talent pipeline for the A's. Nick Allen, Barrera, Grant Holmes. Here's a refractor for Jordan Balazovic. Nice looking card. 121 out of 499. It's a nice hit for Minnesota. Excuse me, guys. What's up, Blake? Those are your, that's your team, Blake. Xavier Edwards, number 74. It is. It's been a great night for breaks. Thanks for joining the chat, man. Bichette, Bauer, Soler, Gunner, Blade, Ladolo, Jake Cronenworth. He might be Rookie of the Year, guys. He's playing well. Kepler, Torres, Bobby Witt Jr., Futurist. Some nice looking cards here, guys. Maiden, Duran. Alright, guys, coming up to the halfway point of the box. Hopefully we got a lot of color left over. Maybe one more auto. Scooble, Schmidt, McKenzie, Anderson, Trevor Larnick, number 85, Lodolo. Alright guys. Casey Mize, Davey, Cronenworth. Whoa, look at this, guys. An atomic Jesus Lazardo, numbered out of 150. Is that a cool looking card or what? Very nice. Let's leave that one up. Nice hit for Nathan. Uh-oh. Look at this, guys. Alexander Vargas. How's that? 40 out of 150. First year Bowman. Boom. That's a nice card. Looks like most of our autos have been first year Bowmans, which is nice. Congratulations to all of you who have won and who are going to receive first year Bowman autographs. That's exciting. Congratulations. That's a nice card. The autograph, not so much. But I guess it doesn't really matter these days, huh? Still a nice card. If he's a star, it won't matter, huh? Alright guys, that was nice. Keeper Ruiz, Hunter Bishop, Bobby Witt, Trout, Castillo, Bellinger, Donaldson, C.J. Abrams, Futurist, Nola, Gallo, Robert, Wander Franco. That's a cool card. We're all anxiously awaiting the arrival of Wander Franco. He's been in this product for a few years now. Tejada, Bart. Orioles talent pipeline. Dahlquist, Soderstrom, Paulson. Alright guys, last 5 packs of the box. Andrew Vaughn, number 17, Raider prospect. Tatis, Rendon, Mountcastle, Nova, Acosta, Baron Laura. Alright guys, last 3 packs. Let's squeeze another banger out of here. Braylon, Otani, Nate Pearson, Drew Waters, Ivan Johnson, Harper, Molina, Lindor, JD, Luciano. Oh yeah, we squeezed another banger out of here. Nick Bitsko, gold, number to 50. Let's go. Where's that number at? Come on. Here it is. 22 out of 50. Nick Bitsko, gold. Alright guys, last pack. Good luck. This has been fun. One more color card. Let's go. Austin Hayes, Evan White, Tavares, Chaz Chisholm, the number 62. That is Heston Kjerstad. Volpe. Alright. No bangers in this pack. But wow, that was one hell of a break, guys. That was a nice Franco. Alright, guys, we got a lengthy recap. A lot of nice cards. Alright guys, we're gonna start our our recap with the first refractor that we pulled. Mike Trout, best player in the game right now, going out to the Los Angeles Angels. Todd B, congrats. Next up we have this Nick Allen Atomic, nice looking card. Not a first year Bowman, but still a banger. Austin Hayes, numbered to 499, going out to Baltimore. Congrats. Ronald Acuna, out to a fantastic start, going out to Atlanta. Endy Rodriguez, going out to the New York Mets, numbered 178 out of 499, first year Bowman. Nice. Here's a Frodis Nova, numbered 203 out of 499 going out to Houston. Nice card. Congrats. Nick Sabato base. Paper. Minnesota. Here's a hit for the Cubs. Ed Howard. Gold. Numbered to 75. Asai Lacy. Gold. Going out to Kansas City. Nick Bitsko. Gold. Numbered out of 50. Going out to Tampa Bay. Nice Wander Franco refractor. Going out to Tampa. Blue. First year Bowman auto. Alexander Vargas going out to the New York Yankees. Congrats. Jesus Lazardo, number 13 rated prospect. Atomic, numbered out of 150. Going out to Oakland. Congrats. Blaze Jordan base. Going out to Boston. Jordan Balazovic. Going out to Minnesota. Refractor, numbered to 499. Austin Martin, first year Bowman Chrome, going out to Toronto. Congrats. Anthony Sabato Chrome, going out to Minnesota. Jared Kelly, first year Bowman Atomic, going out to the White Sox. Another Sabato paper, going out to Minnesota. Another Blaze Jordan, going out to Boston. Ronald Acuna, orange, numbered to 25. Going out to Atlanta. Congrats, it's a nice card. Kevin Alcantara, atomic, first year Bowman. Going out to the Yankees. Blaze Jordan paper, Boston. Tristan Cassis, going out to Boston, numbered to 150. Anthony Sabato paper, going out to Minnesota. And the Jake Edler, first year Bowman, going out to Miami. Congrats. We're waiting on one last card.
Tampa Bay Rays.
Okay, and this is the last card of the break. It's going out to the Rays. Cole Wilcox rookie, numbered out of 199. Congrats to the Rays. All right, guys, that will conclude our break for Bowman tonight. Thanks to all of you who joined the chat. Blake, appreciate it. Lawton, Knight of Honor. Jake, appreciate you guys hanging with me. That'll do it for this evening. Check in tomorrow where we'll have some more breaks. You guys have a good night. See you tomorrow.